Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to create Search Console, what is Search Console, and how to submit XML sitemap to Search Console and why it is important. So most people are aware of Google Analytics. Google Analytics basically helps to get data from your website about your users and how they interact to your website and what are the pages they see and what are the actions they do on your website. Most primarily, analytics shows data out that is from outside. So Search Console is something that let you analyze your own website. So it's more is dependent on the on-page SEO part. It will help on your to performing task relevant to on-page SEO. So Search Console is lets you easily monitor and analyze your server error. It also shows pages that has errors. Sometimes it will also show some security warnings from your website so you can rectify those errors. So there are a lot of functions that relevant to your website that can be analyzed using Search Console. And also most importantly, Search Console shows data that queries that shows your pages on this Google search page. So without any wait, let's go and see how to create Search Console account and add XML sitemap to the Search Console account. Since I'm already using an Search Console application, this is the dashboard. If you are using any Gmail ID for email purposes, use the same email ID or create a new Gmail account. With Gmail account, go to search.google.com and create an account for the Google Search Console. So go to add property, copy paste. Sorry, my site I created like this. So that is my home page URL for I created for demo purpose. So since I have already installed Google Analytics into my website, the verification process is very simple. So it's for you, it is very easier to have a Google. Anyways, you are going to create a Google Analytics for your website. First create it and then create Google Search Console. So for you to, it's easier for you to work on Google Search Console property. Go to property, that's it. But most probably it may take a 1 day or time, 24 hours to 48 hours to update your data. Google Search Console will crawl your website and it will process your website data. So right now it is verified and it will start analyzing your website. So, so we have the Google Search Console and go to sitemap section. You can see here I have already submitted the sitemaps. It is a simple process. Just create the sitemap.xml file and give the URL. After uploading the file to the website, you can give the URL like sitemap, whatever the URL that is generated for your sitemap, and click submit, and then Google will analyze your sitemap and show the status here as success and everything. And for detailed creation of sitemaps and how to install sitemap into the WordPress, how to create the links for sitemap the WordPress, I'll be doing a separate video for that in upcoming days. You can watch the video to learn how to create sitemaps using different ways. I'll be sharing two ways. One creating from the plugin and another one is creating from the third-party soft applications, web applications. So thanks for watching and I'll be posting more videos relevant to tools and gestomoting trends and insights on upcoming videos. Keep on supporting me. Thank you. Bye bye.